Welcome everyone. In this video, we're going to dive deep into a really calming and powerful breathing practice called Nadi Shodhana, also known as the alternate nostril breathing. And so this is one of those practices that are very simple, but deeply effective and great for relieving stress and anxiety, but also for focus and really just balancing out our energy. So what is Nadi Shodhana? Well, Nadi means channel or energy pathway, and Shodhana means cleansing or purification. So Nadi Shodhana is really about cleansing the subtle energy channels within our subtle body. In the yogic tradition, it is said that we have thousands of nadis, but the three main ones are Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna. And so when our energy channels are balanced, we feel more calm, centered, and awake. And we're not wired and we're not tired, but we're in that zone of feeling just right, feeling that sense of balance and equanimity. There's lots of benefits of Nadi Shodhana. I've been practicing it for over 20 years, and it's helped me on so many levels. It's helped me with gaining clarity and easing a lot of anxiety, and I used to suffer from panic attacks and a lot of thoughts that I couldn't control. And the Nadi Shodhana really helped to balance and relieve and release all of that. And so it's really amazing for calming the nervous system, especially if you're someone who feels overstimulated or anxious like I have. It's also a great practice to do before meditation and before you go to sleep. I personally love doing it in the evening to wind down or right before I sit for a longer meditation. Over time, it helps balance the left and the right hemispheres of the brain, which is a lot of science that backs that up as well. So how do you do the Nadi Shodhana? Okay, well, we're going to start. I'm going to guide you through the practice, but typically you want to use your right hand, and you're going to fold your index finger, and you want to use your right hand thumb to close your right nostril, and your right hand ring finger or little finger or both to close your left nostril. Okay, so let's guide us through a round of Nadi Shodhana. Typically, it's nice to do 2 to 3 rounds. So sit with your back straight. You can roll your shoulders back and away from your ears. And we'll come into some deep yogic breaths to start. So as you inhale, you can feel your belly rising, your chest and your lungs expanding, and your shoulder girdle rising. And as you exhale, the shoulder girdle moves down, the lungs are contracting, and the belly moves inwards. So take a couple more of these deep yogic breaths. And now we're going to take our hand and come into that mudra where we're using the right hand thumb to close the right nostril and the right hand ring finger and or little finger to close the left nostril. We're going to take a deep breath through both nostrils and then close the left and exhale through your right. Inhale through your right. Close the right and exhale through your left. Inhale through your left. Close the left and exhale through your right. Inhale through your right. Close your right and exhale through your left. Inhale through your left. Close the left, exhale through your right. Inhale through your right. Close the right and exhale through your left. Inhale through your left. And now release your hand as you exhale through both nostrils. And take a nice deep yogic breath. Gently open your eyes. Okay, so that is one round of Nadi Shodhana. So typically it consists of 12 breaths. So you're one side, you're inhaling and exhaling, okay, 6 times, and the other side 6 times. Now there's different variations and modifications of this. The key important practice is to kind of find your own rhythm and to practice according to how you breathe and count. You can count the breaths as you do that. You can start with the 1 round like we just did, and then do 2 to 3 rounds. 1 round can take as little as 1 minute. And I hope that you've enjoyed this wonderful practice of Nadi Shodhana. Let me know if you've practiced this before or if this is new for you. Feel free to leave some comments below.